Hey guys, if you've never seen my face before, my name is Safiyah. Welcome to my channel.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging.
Today is Wednesday and it's 9:57 p.m. so it's supposed to be 10 o'clock at night, but I feel so busted right now. I feel so busted. Still kind of cute actually. But I have no lashes on. I have no lashes on. I haven't had lashes on all week. It's literally only Wednesday. I think I took them off on Saturday, but I don't know, I've just been feeling not cute. None of my maintenance is done right now. I feel like I need a whole reset. So that's exactly what we're doing in this week's video. This is a maintenance vlog. You guys are gonna come with me to all my appointments. This is the before. And by the end of this video, I'm just gonna look too good, and I'm excited for that. It's been a while since I've had everything done all at once, so we're starting tonight at 10 p.m. I'm currently doing my hair, but every time I do my hair myself, it takes about 3.5 hours. So we're gonna do as much as I can today. This is the before my hair. As you can see, you can't really see my scalp too much. Like, why can I put my whole finger through my new growth? This is what I've done so far. Record me taking a picture of my nails. Okay, so are you recording? Mm-hmm. You can start. Okay, let me see.
Coming from too high.
Okay, do it again, but keep the focus on my hand. You see how it was on my hand, but then you moved it over and I moved the phone a little further? And then, let me see. Okay, yeah, that works.
It's still running.
I know. Okay, one more. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Are you just using this so you can see what it looks like?
I'm trying to do the transition. I did the first part already.
You know it's not recording right now.
You're recording this whole time?
Yes!
You didn't tell me to record.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. But that's what I was asking. You didn't give me a
You're making a video.
You didn't
Okay, go
tell me
ahead.
it was making a video. At first I thought we were taking a picture. Go ahead.
Yes!
Yo.
Guys, oh my god.
Nobody told me. Stop. Did she tell me what we're doing? How is this not making a video? She's not ready for the live.
Woo! Okay, what am I doing? Yo, that is funny.
I was following the instructions that were given to me. You said hold it. I held it.
Let's go edit this
I'm
now.
out of here.
She said she wish there was two of me. Walking that bit with some racks. Fresh is a definite facts. Gelato, I sticky the pack.
Guys, I never showed you guys the finished hair. I started it, when did I start it? I think I started my hair like Tuesday night. Didn't finish it, finished it probably like halfway. And then Wednesday while I was at work, in between calls, I was doing my hair even more. So I finished it like another quarter. And then when I got home on Wednesday, I finished the top. So here is the final product of my hair. Honestly, when my hair is like fresh, like it's cute, but I feel like I like my hair the most, like when it's about like a couple days, maybe a week worn in, then that's when I feel like it looks the best. But here's the hair. Good morning. Guys, pick the pajamas of the day. This pajama set is so cute. It's literally one of my favorites, but it's from La Senza actually. Little colorful stripes. She's cute. Anyways, good morning. It's 9:30 and today is Sunday. I really do not want to leave my house today. There's supposed to be a huge I really do not want to leave my house today. There's supposed to be a huge snowstorm today. It's supposed to be 20 to 25 centimeters of snow. But we have a lash appointment this morning and I don't want to miss my lash appointment. My appointment's at 11. It's, what did I say, like 9:30? And I still have to stop at the bank before I go to get cash. So let's get dressed. I'm gonna wear my silk scarf because I just did my hair and I'm gonna be laying down to do my lashes. I also messaged my lash girl this morning and asked her if I could film a little bit of the process, but she hasn't responded, so we'll see. We'll see if you guys see. It's 10:26, so my lash appointment is now in 35 minutes, 34, whatever. But I'm pulling up to the bank right now because I gotta get cash for this appointment. I love these little mittens from Uniqlo. They actually sent them to me in like a little PR, but they're heat tech mittens, so they actually keep your hands warm. And then obviously you can take your fingers out in case you need to use your phone, your fingers. Like, look at me. Just made it here with 25 minutes to spare. In case I don't get to bring you guys in to show you the lash process, here is the before of the lashes. Here are my lashless eyes. The no lash vibe was cute for the little week. It really wasn't. I really did not love that. But lash is about to be back. Oh, I didn't even tell you guys, I'm trying a new lash style, something I've never tried before. My usual like go-to lash style is just a volume set. I like them fluffy and I do like 8 to 12. There was one point where I was getting like 16s and now I look back and I'm like, whoa, those were long. Like, this is what my lashes usually give. Thick, fluffy, cute. But I saw this girl on TikTok and she just looked so pretty and her lashes just gave so feminine. These are her lashes. They're a lot like thinner. It's more of like a little cat eye, and then they're like a lot shorter of a lash. But I'm like, these are so cute. So this is a style that I'm gonna try today. This is what I'm going for. Hi. Here are the before of the lashes. And here's the after. Here's the before of the lashes. And here's the after. I don't know how that one just looked. Anyways, guys, my lashes are done. They're definitely more subtle than how I usually get them. So this is like more of a wet set. So essentially, sorry, I'm trying to defrost my car while I wait in here while I film this. Let's attempt to disregard the sound of the fan. But this is like a wet set, so it's supposed to give the vibe of like wet lashes, except more uniform. Do I like them better than what I usually get? Right now, no. They're still cute, but do I like them better? Right now, no. But I feel like I have to get used to them. I feel like you gotta give them like a day. But honestly, I'm just happy to have lashes back on. They're cute. Something subtle. Anyways, this is the condition of outside right now. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, actually. That's pretty much all I have to do for outside. I'm getting hungry, so let's go home. Good morning, guys. My niece and nephew are chilling in here.
Where even are you?
We are working on wrapping up this maintenance vlog. It's Friday, 8:44 a.m. and I'm about to go shower. Guys, last night I went out to a brand event. It was a Bridgerton X Netflix event. It was Bridgerton themed. Everyone was dressed in their Bridgerton attire. It was a masquerade ball, so everyone had their masks. But then I got sent home with this, a little Bridgerton body wash. Bridgerton with Dove, as you can see. And it actually smells pretty nice. It smells like, oh, that's what it smells like. If you guys have ever tried that Dove body scrub, you know their body scrubs? The pink one. That's what this smells like. It smells clean, but like with a little bit of floral in it. But we're gonna be using this today in the shower. I also came home from that event to a PR package from CeraVe. Like CeraVe, period. I got 3 products: a healing ointment, which is pretty much like a petroleum jelly. It's kind of similar to Vaseline. A moisturizer, and this cleanser. This is a hydrating foaming oil cleanser. But in the box it came with a little card, and it was saying that these, all 3 products, are Bodycare. So I'm about to try this in the shower. We're gonna shower with this, and then this on top for the smell. And this I was actually so excited about. A CeraVe robe. Oh my goodness, I love a good robe. I love a good robe. So I'm so excited. I'm about to shower and put this on. Anyways, it's freezing in my bathroom. We need to turn on the shower so that the steam starts heating up in here. It's too cold. Shower. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling bold. So we're about to get cute. All my makeup and stuff is already packed, so we're gonna be doing my makeup out of this bag. If you guys haven't watched my ski trip vlog, it's the video right before this, so go tune in. But let's get cute. we are cute. I added the lip combo. But we are ready. I'm feeling so pretty, feeling so clean. My skin is feeling nice and smooth under these clothes. You guys would have saw this outfit in the ski trip vlog, but I have to show you guys the look again. I'm just gonna put it in this video as well. This is what happens when you're trying to film 2 videos at a time. Sometimes stuff get intertwined. My room is messy, try to ignore that. I'm trying to pack and prep right now, but I'm gonna clean my room before I leave. But we got this white long sleeve, plain white long sleeve. This one's from H&M. We got on my green cargo joggers from Garage. And then the star of the show. When I saw that these colors matched, I was like, yup, that's the travel outfit. Tea. This is the look. I'm feeling so cute. We got my hair did. We got my nails did. Everything did. Nails done, hair done, everything did.
Nails done, hair done, everything did.
Oh, you fancy, huh? I think I forgot my necklace in the car, so I'm gonna have to make sure I go get that before I leave. I cannot leave without my necklaces. My neck feels so bare, so bald right now. I'm not liking it. But guys, thank you so much for getting cute with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. If you made it this far in the video, let me know downtown. If you made it this far in the video, let me know down in the comments what beauty maintenance is your favorite. Do you love to get your nails done? Do you love to get your hair done? Your lashes? Your wax? Massage? Facial? What is it? Let me know. Let me know what you love to do to make you feel pretty or just to make you feel good. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next Sunday with another new video. Ooh. Bye.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard, that's why they keep talking. 3 years and I'm only just getting started.